What's up? Hello. I am Harley Jen, and welcome to my little corner of the internet. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and please subscribe if you enjoy my content. If you're already a sub, thank you for being here, and thank you for supporting my channel. As always, there's a giveaway in every beauty video. Don't forget to stay tuned to see what the giveaway is and find out how to enter. Today's video is a do-it-yourself DIY makeup brush holder. I recently wanted to change up my makeup brush storage, and I went Amazon hunting for new brush holders and was honestly shocked at how freaking pricey these things can get. I'm inserting some pictures of some that I liked, but thought it was absolutely ridiculous for price. So you can see, I change my aesthetics often, and I wanted to come up with something affordable, something that looks pretty, and I thought maybe you guys would enjoy it too. So I wanted to find some affordable ways to store my brushes, but also have it look beautiful at the same time. So today I'm going to show you how I made a very affordable yet beautiful makeup brush holder out of tissue box holders. Get comfy, relax, and I hope you enjoy this little DIY series. Here's what you're going to need to create this DIY makeup brush holder. A tissue box holder that has a flat top that can lay flat on any flat surface without being beveled. Glue, a razor blade, a pen, a sturdy piece of cardboard. You're going to need some rice, beans, beads, anything of your choice that's affordable, and some makeup brushes. And let me show you now how we get this done. Okay guys, I'm really enjoying my makeup brush holder. It looks really cute on my vanity. I hope you enjoyed this video. The giveaway for this video is going to be a wooden tissue box holder that you see here. You can decorate it and customize it to your preference. If you win, please tag me in it. I want to see what you created. And if you do this DIY at home, please also tag me in that. I would love to see what you guys come up with. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps me a lot, and I will see you soon. Bye!